How to vectorize images for higher quality. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google. In Google, at the top in the search bar, type in www.recraft.ai. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Vectorize Image in here. After you click on Vectorize Image in here, you can drop your image and it will turn into vectorized image in this way. You can also add specific colors if you want by pressing on colors on the left side. After you do that, your image will be created in high quality. And this is how to vectorize images for higher quality. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.